Okay, thank you then. Thank you. So the Professor Liu is going to show you your chapter 4 quiz. I hope you have overall understanding of this. So like number 1, I explained it, stream, river, Mississippi. So class name is stream. Object name will be river. So I got river.replace this here. Method is replace. So you copy the method right here. All right. So next one, we ask you to use the next following instruction to construct rectangle, your group box. All right. So group 3 box. And the top left corner is 10, 100, width is 50, and 300. So, and this one, we ask you to take a look here, the top rectangle here. So the code will be here, okay? So I'm going to write rectangle and group 3 box. Is that right? And equal to new rectangle and top left corner, I say is 510. Is that right? Let me double check. I say is 10, 100. So let's do 10, 100. So top left corner is 10, 100. And what's the width? Can anybody tell me? Width is what? All right. So width is 50. Linfen, good job. And what's height? It's 100. Okay. So that's the code. So this will be the code. Okay. Now, and you want to look for the API document and copy the translate. See what you need. So in this class, I also need to teach you how to use the API, your document clearly, effectively. So I come into here, then I need to go rectangle, right? So Control F. And I'm going to type rectangle, uppercase, okay? Rectangle 2D. So I think we use rectangle 2D dot double and look for the method. Look for the method. All right, once you see the method here, I'm going to close this. So, and I'm going to ask you to go to translate. Translate. I think it is in the basic rectangle. Okay, then inherit to others. So I'm coming back to rectangle. Rectangle, okay? Alright, so once I'm a rectangle here, I go to my method. Now make sure I go to my method. Alright, so I need you to find out the translate method. Translate method. So let me ask you one question, very important question. I find my translate method at my rectangle. How come my rectangle 2D dot double can use it? Because Java is object oriented, so rectangle is the grandfather, the father, and children, everybody can use it. So this is translate method. Translate method will move delta x, how many to the x, how many delta to the y. If you go up to the right is positive, go to the left is negative, go up is negative, go down is positive. And so you want to copy this, Control C. And so you will write it down your code right here. So you write down your code right here. And notice you write your code here and don't return anything. Don't return anything. All right. So you want to translate. You don't return anything. You don't say new box. No. Okay. So my box is called group 3 box. Right. And I'm going to translate. And how many to the right? Can anyone tell me? 50. Is that right? Delta plus. And but I'm going to move up. Delta y is negative. All right, do you understand this one? Yes or no? You understand this one? Everybody? Yes or no? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. All right. Uh, now, let's continue right now. Let's go to number 6. So we see this empty frame. We see this empty frame. So a graphic application show information inside a frame. A frame is a window with a title bar. That's what. That's this guy. Window with a title bar. So I want you to construct a JFrame class. Name your group frame. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to say JFrame. All right, and I'm going to say group of 4 frame, okay, equal to new JFrame. Okay, anybody who understand this one, who has a question for this one, yes or no? No question? So fine, let's continue. So number 7, I have a alien face right now. So in a Java application, you need a frame to show application. So right here, I have a frame, and you also need a component to draw. For example, so face viewer.java construct the frame. Face component.java put all the shape. We have a rectangle, we have a ellipsis, we have line to create simple drawing. This okay. So I need you to do this right here. Write the code to construct the object of face component of your component, and your component is your group. Okay, so how do you do that? I will do this. Face component. Okay, and I'm going to say group A component. Okay, equal to new and face component. All right, so far okay. So do you have any question of this right now? Now I want you to add your component to your friend. So depend on your group. I'm going to say this. I'm at group 5 right now. Okay, so I'm saying group 5 friend. All right, dot add. I'm going to add my group 5 component. All right, so I add it right now. I add the component, the picture, to my friend. All right, so number 8. So far, okay. Number 8, I'm going to give an instruction to construct a circle right now. Circle. Top left corner is 510. Radius is 550. That means width is 50. Line is also 50. And I'm going to ask you to use ellipse 2D. I'm going to ask you to use ellipse 2D. So you're going to write here code as ellipse. Hold on. LIPSE ellipse 2D. Typo, huh? Ellipse 2D the double. Alright, we're going to use a newer one. And do I call this anything? Your group. So I'm going to use group 4 circle. It's okay. And equal to new ellipse 2D. Is okay? Ellipse 2D. And the top left corner is 510. And then the radius is 50. That means both the height and width are exactly the same. Okay, so I wrote the code like this right now. I want to change my G2 color to red. So I to G2, it's always changed to uppercase G2. Alright, so G2, the set color I think it's a color. All right, and you want to write down color the red. Uppercase, lowercase is fine because they will do it for you. All right, so I change it to color right now, and I want to fill the color with a red color. So I'm going to say fill, right? So I'm going to say G2. All right, so G2. All right, let me copy. G2. And I'm going to say fill. All right, so let me change this to lowercase g again. And fill. And I'm going to fill my circle. My circle right now is a different name. Right now, I'm going to use group 6. Is that okay? So I'm going to say group 6. The group 6 circle. All right, so I finish this right now. Then I need to save with my name. Is that right? So I want to say file, save as. All right, so make sure I didn't use group 5 yet. Is that right? I'm group 5, group 5, group 5, and Shin quiz 4. It's okay? Once I done this and I upload it. Once I done this, I will upload back. Is okay? So I need you to do that right now when you upload back to, oh, so sorry. So I need you to upload back here to this right now, and I'm doing roll call. It's okay? I'm doing roll call. Okay. So I need you to upload and let me doing roll call right now. Okay?